Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing an oil change on a 2006 Volkswagen Passat. So I tried to do this yesterday already, but I took the oil filter cap off, or the holder, and it was cracked around the around this here, the nut or whatever. So I was gonna order a new one, but I needed the car for today, so I just JB welded it on. So I already got the oil filter out and drained the oil. I'll just give you a quick look here. Okay, so the oil filter comes out right here, and there's this cap here that screws into the bottom of the oil filter. You might have seen the hole in the housing there, the tread, and that just screws out, and then you can drain your oil filter. Nothing came out of mine. You have to, I guess, have a tool that you can pop into the bottom to drain it, and then the oil plug is right over here, and that's just a 3/4 wrench for that. So I already drained the oil, took the filter out, and now I'm gonna reinstall the filter, and hopefully this thing doesn't leak on me. So yeah, as you can see, I just JB welded it back on. Eventually I'm going to get a new one, but for now this should do, I believe. So this is the new oil filter. So you just slide it onto this, and then yeah, just slide it onto there. And then yeah, so I'm going to put the oil filter back on. Okay, gotta get my light so I can see something. Okay. All right. Okay. So yeah, just screw the oil filter in there. Yeah, so I guess the guy that did this before kind of over tightened this and cracked the housing where the oil filter's in. Position it in there. Yeah, you do not want to over tighten these. They're only plastic, so they crack pretty easily. So I usually just do hand tight. and then screw in the cap. I have a parts car standing outside, same as this one, but it's snowed under, so I can't take anything off right now. I have to pull it out there first, where it's sitting, and then just take your drain plug, screw that back in. Yeah, I had an oil leak. I didn't know where it was coming from, so I figured that out. My car's all full of oil under the car, stuck up with oil. I'm gonna have to wash it one of these days, get all the oil off. Alright, so that's in. Oil filter's back in its place. Hopefully that doesn't leak. So I already put the new, forgot about that, but I already put the new seal in the filter housing. So you got to put the new seal back in there so that it doesn't leak for sure. Okay, so now that we got the filter and the drain plug back in there, we're gonna start putting the new oil back in the engine. So you're gonna need a funnel. Make sure your funnel's clean so you don't get any debris into the engine. Okay, so I just use 5W30 engine oil. So I'm just quickly gonna put it in there. It doesn't really work to do it with just one hand. So I'm gonna drain it in there and then I'll get back to you as soon as I'm done with that. All right, so I'm done filling in the oil. Got the oil cap back on and everything. So I backed my car off just pushed it off, didn't start up. See, you don't want to start it up when it has no oil. So I backed it off just so I could get a level oil. And yeah, so the car has this plastic weather stripping or weather shield under the car that's screwed on with 6 bolts. So you can't really get out the filter unless you take it off. So yeah, just take that off, and then yeah, that's everything for today. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to my video, or subscribe to my channel, and have a good day. Thanks.